Wake up and live.
We are joined by Simphiwe Ngidi, who's a leadership coach from Hlomani Leadership Awakening, where he's the founder. Today, we're speaking about servant leadership. Simphiwe, blissful morning.
Morning, Nonku. How are you doing?
Strengthened by grace, and how are you?
I'm well by God's grace too.
Excellent. What is a servant leader? So that we can understand if we are leading as servants or we are leading to be served.
Yeah. So today, really, Nonku, I just want to talk about something really close to my heart. It's a principle that I believe it can transform how we lead in our homes, how we lead in our workplaces, and how we lead in our churches or communities, and how we even lead in our relationship. And that principle is serving leadership. What's important is this: true leadership is not about position. It's not about power. It's not about prestige. It's not about status. Leadership is really not about shining the spotlight on yourself. It's about serving others. Leadership is not about drawing attention to yourself. It's about lifting others up. Leadership is not about, hey, look at me, focus on me. It's all about growing others, helping others get better. It's not about standing in front of people, giving commands, showing that you are in control. It's about inspiring others. I think last time I shared that before I became a leader, I thought that leadership was about me. It was about my success. It was about my glory, my crown. It was all about who must serve me until I became a leader. And then I realized that leadership is about serving others. My success in leadership is about growing others. My success in leadership is about lifting others up. It's about serving others. So true leadership is not about how many people serve you. It's about how many people are you willing to serve. So instead of asking what people can do for me, you can ask yourself, as a servant leader, you ask yourself, what can I do for others? And this is a foundational principle that will help a parent, that will help a coach, that will help a leader, that will help a colleague at work, that you must ask yourself this question: what can I do for others? Serve to be served. Serve to be served. If I want to experience respect from others, the question is, what can I do to show respect to others first? If I want to receive loyalty from a friend, the question is, what can I do to show loyalty? If I want to receive support from my colleagues, support from my team, the question is, what can I do first to show support to them? So if I want support, loyalty, respect from others, it starts with you serving them, Nogu. It starts with you serving them. So when you serve, when you show respect, when you support others, people are willing to listen to you. People are willing to learn from you. And people are willing to follow you. Not because they have to, but because they want to. So I'm going to focus on these 3 points, Nogu, these 3 foundational points on serving leadership. And then I'll be done. Number 1 is you must serve with a heart. Yeah? Serving leadership begins with serving with a genuine heart, genuine care, genuine compassion. People know when you are serving to get something from them, and they definitely know when you are serving out of love. Yeah? So when people see that you genuinely care about their growth, they will open their hearts to you. When people see that you genuinely care about their struggles, they will open their hearts to you. When people see that you genuinely care about their well-being, they will open their hearts. So people don't follow titles. They don't follow positions. They follow hearts that serve. They follow people who serve. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Your team at work, Nongu, doesn't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Your partner at home doesn't care how much you know and how much you earn until they know how much you care. Your child at home doesn't care how much you know and how much you earn until they know how much you care. If you are a leader in the community, they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So serve with a genuine heart. Number 2, serve with hands. What do I mean when I say serve with your hands? Serving leadership is practical. It's not just in words. It's an action. So what do I mean by this? Rolling up your sleeves and just getting involved. As a coach, get involved with your team. As a leader in your community, get involved with your community and start serving. As a parent, get involved with your child and start serving. As a teacher, get involved with your students and start serving. So then someone can ask a question and say, well, where do I start? Where do I begin? It doesn't start with big things. That's what I realized. It doesn't start with big things. It starts with small things. When you are listening to your partner, you're serving them. When you are encouraging your team at work, you are serving them. When you are supporting your child, you are serving them. When you are showing respect at home, you are serving them. So when you serve others by empowering them, by supporting them, by respecting them, they will in turn serve you. Serve to be served. If you want respect, give respect. If you want loyalty, show loyalty. If you want to be served, serve. Jesus said, if you want to be great, serve. And my last point, Nagu, serve with humility. Serving in humility, it simply means that putting people first. Leadership is not about how many people serve you, but it's about how many people you are serving, how many people you are empowering, how many people you are supporting, how many people you are inspiring, how many people you are equipping. So when you serve in humility, you receive more. When you serve in humility, your relationships are strengthened. When you serve in humility, doors are open. I think it's in Mark 10, verse 45. Jesus says, the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve. So Jesus is showing us that true greatness is found in serving others. So in closing then, how do I really live out the serving leadership? Number one, serve with heart. How can I serve with heart? This is how you do it. Look for one person to serve. Look for one person to encourage. Look for one person to help every day. And number two, serve with your hands. How do I serve with my hands? When you encourage others, when you help others, when you lift others up, watch how life will lift you up. Serve to be served. And lastly, how do I serve in humility? Don't serve to be noticed, to be praised. True greatness is found in serving in humility. When you give more, you receive more. When you serve others, you will definitely be served. So serving leadership is so important that we are able to lift others up, and not only lift others up, others will lift us up too. Serve to be served.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so very much for awakening the servant leadership within all of us this morning. Thank you very much, Simphiwe. Blissful day further.
Oh, thank you.